First 2024 edition of the Florida Derby. It's underway from Chase Stadium, Inter Miami.
Orlando City can get in transition today.
Robert Taylor behind immediately. Dan Torhalson, a strong tackle to take it off of Taylor. Torhalson spins and is fouled.
Miami in the front five.
Bruno Torres almost won it back. Instead, it's Suarez who is bumped down by Robin Janssen. Advantage. Now it's Julian Gressel. Gressel on the ground. Flies here. 1 minute of time. Luis Suarez gives Miami the lead.
So much of the conversation, so much of the talk around Inter Miami. Luis Suarez, and which version Tata Martino will get. Would he get the golden ball from Brazil last year? Well, tip of the cap.
Around Jordi Alba. Torhalson, McGuire, and into La Familia. Really good shake. Here is Torres off of Aviles. Araujo! That did not miss by much.
But this is more the Orlando City was so many people in and around Major League Soccer.
Now here they come. Ojeda has McGuire in the middle. It's over McGuire. Torres. Well. Gets away from Cartagena, gets it back. Suarez for 10! All the talk about Luis Suarez. He's putting that to bed. A brace in 11 minutes. His first two of the year. Miami doubles the lead.
And you wonder why I had him as my RBC player to watch, because all eyes for Tata Martino, his staff, Jorge, David Beckham in the ownership group, is can they get the Golden Ball winner from Brazil? Both new players showing up early on here.
8 up, floating it. Day. Rafael Santos Yedlin again, sending it out. We spoke a lot in the able to deal with it. Space in the midfield. Says up the middle. Schlegel get Aviles towards Torres. Has McGuire in the middle, and it's Freire conceding the corner for Orlando City. First corner. Angulo. Back to Ojeda. Off of
Orlando City's high press.
Aviles just sends it forward. Suarez goes to ground. Now Ojeda. Looking for McGuire. Calendar. What a touch. Oh, Messi, he's on one. And dribbles it into touch and loses it for a goal kick. To his right. Busquets as well. Busquets back to Messi. Oh, what a touch. Torres is arguing. Gomez flicking it towards Messi. Schlegel on
top of everyone. Now they're in.
Suarez for a hat trick. Unselfish. Taylor into the net. It's 3 for Inter Miami, who are flying in the Florida Derby.
Orlando City players are hoping for a miracle here that either Robert Taylor or
Jordi Alba, Messi turning, still Messi, brought down, free kick coming for Miami. Messi, oh, Gillespie's the save, scrambling to his right, no one at the post. He didn't get a touch, it's a goal kick, inches away from Lay. Torres now floating to the back post, nobody there for Orlando. Robert Taylor for Miami, running at Torhalson, cutting inside, was looking for Gressel all the way over to the right side of the pitch.
Yeah, but how good is that from Inter Miami?
Angulo tried to get it back to Torres. He was a big signing for them before last year. Scored a ton of goals. Taylor flags down for now. Suarez around Gillespie. A head for Luis Suarez, but the flag comes up. The delayed offside flag for now, denying Suarez a third, and Miami a few games to look like this, to look dangerous for Miami in MLS play. It's close, and it's 3 for Miami still.
Well, more so keeping possession, giving them a little bit more quality.
As the season goes on. Here's Ojeda to pull one back for Orlando! The flag is up on Orlando City. Denied their opening goal of this match. Back to Nicolas Ladero, clipping it to the back post over there. Rafael Santos, first ball in towards Dorm. If they go fast enough. Messi, dispossessed by Araujo. The foul goes against Diego Gomez. Clear yet. Angulo tried to touch it around. Busquets doesn't work. It's Gressel, or he thought about it. Leaves for Busquets. Messi will have a go! Just a yard wide.
I'm not sure I can.
Santos, Torres, again into a dangerous spot.
How careless they've been with the ball today.
Gressel for 4 off the crossbar. Is taking the space around Ladero. Suarez. Now the 4th. Shirley off the bar, and Messi. It's in. It's 4. Finally for Inter Miami. What a show today in South Florida. An immediate impact to the back post. Nobody in this game. Ojeda is looking for the back post. Calendar forced into his first save of the match. But daring from Muriel. Now to Kyle Smith, who sends in a decent ball. Or Hultzen back to defend. Looks for Messi! 5! Furious! Fantastic! From Inter Miami!
As disappointing of a performance you will ever see in Orlando City history. You turn it over, but no pressure on the ball. Gomez and Suarez running